I think NFT is entirely different story.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. When first NFT started, I think everybody thought it's just for art, right? But when you dig deeper into it, when you have more understanding, you realize that it can be many, many, many things. What I wanted to do is hopefully one fine day, the things that I teach, my courses, which I have actually moved it into online courses as well, is able to move into the NFT space, right? That means that in that case, I can offer limited access to the course. Where limited access means that the value will go up, right?
Mm.
That's what I understand. So when having limited access, then I can up the value. And when the circulation is limited, then the owner of the ticket for the course can then trade the access with other buyers who want to also learn the things in the course. So every time when they trade, that means they can say, okay, I have an access for this course for 2 years before my access expiry. I can sell it to you for a certain amount of money. And then once the course get transferred into the new owner, the access actually get reset into another year. So the new owner can have access for the course for one more year. And before the year expire, he better go in and kind of take the course, retake and retake until he know everything about the course, until he got sick of it and say, okay, I no longer need this, and I'm going to like sell it to another person. And when he sell it to the other person, the access reset again to another year, for example. So that's my thinking about how this whole thing can work if it's in the NFT space. Also, I guess one of the things is that I will not be afraid that the copyright issue, right? So, and if somebody sell my course to somebody else, I will get a certain percentage of the royalty.